Hi, I'm Anika from the Purna AI team, and I'm really excited to show you all the new updates that we've been working on in our paper writing. So to navigate to our paper writing section, we have to go to the left here and click on Write Paper. So we have two options to begin. We can either start a completely new untitled paper. We have a lot of templates to choose from. We can choose our citation style, and then we can also put in a directed objective to what we want our paper to be like. Or we can also start from a pre-written paper and then work on that paper further. So in order to show you all of our new features, I'm just going to pull up a pre-written paper. Okay, so once we open our paper on the platform, it's going to look something like this. So coming to the top bar here, we have an AI chat and an AI autocomplete, which I can come to later. We also have a citation library up here where we can pass through our different citations, and we can also add any new citations. Then we have our regular formatting tools. We have a preview button where we can see a PDF preview of what our paper currently looks like. We can also export our paper in multiple formats. So we can do Word docs, Markdown files, LaTeX projects, or simple PDFs. Up here, we have templates and citation options. So you can switch between different citations. So currently, we're in MLA, as you can see. But we can also switch to nature, and it's going to switch all throughout from top to bottom. And we can also switch between different popular publication templates. So we have a Nature Manuscript ACS, and you can see how the formatting changes, and then you can preview it up here. So coming to our AI chat feature, it's essentially like your own AI chat box built into your paper. So you can ask it questions from adding information to refining your existing information or even adding flowcharts. So an example I could give was to add a flowchart representing eligibility criteria. So once the prompt is run, we get kind of this planning box, which tells us what section the changes are to be made in. It shows the proposed content, and then we can just apply the update and watch the changes be applied to the document. As you can see, we now have a flowchart right in the eligibility criteria section of the paper. Okay, so the next feature that I want to show you guys is the AI autocomplete feature. So it actually shows you suggested or proposed content in continuity with your paragraph, and you can choose if you want to accept it or reject it. You can also completely turn this off, so it's fully optional. However, all the proposed content is always cited and completely traceable. So up here we have an option to accept or reject. We also have an option to refine the suggestion. So we can ask to make it a concluding statement. We can ask to increase the novelty of the suggestion, simplify the language, or make it more concise. So we can just go ahead and accept that. So all the citations in the paper are super traceable. So you can click on each citation to understand where it came from, the sources, the authors. For any citations used in the autocomplete, you can see where the evidence used comes from. You can also choose to view the paper. So as you can see, we can open our paper in a separate tab. Another really cool thing is that for a lot of our papers, you have a code preview available, so you can preview the code and see exactly where in the paper the code came from. And finally, we also have a version history tab available up here. So we can scan through our different version histories to track changes that have been made. So as you can see, we can see the AI autocomplete that's been highlighted here and the changes in citations that have been made. You can load different version histories, and you can also restore versions if you want to get rid of some changes. So that's it for all of our exciting updates. We hope you like it and we hope you try it out. We want to make paper writing a completely painless experience, and we hope that this contributes to that.